Goodbye, Mother.
Goodbye, dear.
You know, Chrissy, your mother doesn't seem up to the mark lately. I've been wondering, would you go with her to the doctor? She seems so tired and worn out.
Yes, Dad. I've noticed myself. Well, I could take her on Saturday evening. Bert's going out, and I could easily manage it, you know.
Now then, what's all this conspiracy?
Well, my dear, Chrissy and I were just saying that you don't seem so well, and we think you ought to see the doctor.
Yes, and I promised to go with you.
Me? See a doctor?
Yes,
Well,
Mother, now don't argue. Now, you be ready on Saturday at 6 o'clock. Don't forget, Saturday at 6 o'clock.
Well, I never.
And like most mothers, you've been overworking for years. Now, if you don't want to break down, you must take things easier. No more heavy work. Do you do your washing at home, Mrs. Wright?
Yes, Doctor.
I thought as much. Killing work. You women will make slaves of yourselves, and then wonder why you grow old before your time. Now remember what I say. Rest as much as possible.
Yes, Doctor.
And no more washing day. I'll have a tonic made up for you, Mrs. Wright. Perhaps your daughter will call for it on Monday morning.
Oh, not in the morning, Doctor. It's washing day. I'll call in the evening, though.
Washing day.
That you, Beth?
It had better be. Yes, it's me, all right. If I can get in.
Still raining?
Yes, outside. And inside, too. Suppose there's no chance of seeing a bit of fire, is there?
There you go again. Always complaining on washing day. I can't help if it's raining. I've got to dry these clothes somehow.
All right, Chris. I didn't mean anything. But it's always the same on Monday nights. Never anything hot to eat. And you about as cheerful as chamber music.
Monday night? Oh, I'd almost forgotten. I've got to fetch Mother's medicine. Anyway, she won't be doing any washing today. The doctor's ordered her not to. Got to send her to a laundry.
Lucky devil.
Bert, how can you talk like that about poor Mother when she's ill and under the doctor?
I didn't mention your mother's name.
Well, who were you calling a lucky devil?
Your father. I bet he's grateful to that doctor, too.
Oh, so that's all the thanks I get, wearing myself out, doing your washing. It shan't be more than half an hour. And you might do the washing up while I'm gone.
I might.
Laundry, madam?
Oh, yes. Here. You will see that they handle the things very carefully, won't you? Because, you see, I've never sent anything to a laundry before, but the doctor says I've been overwashing myself.
Oh, don't you worry, madam. But perhaps you'd like to come to the laundry tomorrow and see for yourself.
Oh, I would. Could my daughter come with me?
Certainly, madam. Be there at 10 o'clock.
Yes.
I'll tell the manager to expect you.
Oh, thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
We're already in full swing, so let's go straight to the sorting room. Whites, colours, woolens, sorted into bins, and then wheeled to the washing machines where the water is changed 8 times every wash. Then through the dryer, an endless stream of warm, dry articles, sweet and hygienic. No damping down. The steam presses do this automatically and evenly. Watch these sheets go through, just one beautiful sweep. No struggling on the kitchen table. And here's how the collar goes round Father's neck. But there's still plenty of hand ironing. Expert workers iron every garment carefully, skillfully, under the watchful eye of the manageress. Here is your satin blouse, madam. And here is that beautiful lace cloth you were so nervous about. Now see them being packed, all crisp and fresh again. No backache, no heat, no bother for you, madam. That's our job. And this conveyor belt takes them on the first stage of their homeward journey.
Thank you for coming. It's always a pleasure when a customer comes to see for herself what's happening in the laundry.
Well, it's been most interesting, hasn't it, Chris? Yes. Goodbye.
Well, there's the tea, Mother.
Oh, thank you, dear.
That you, Bert?
Yes, that's right. What a funny smell. Oh, visitors. Hello, Dad. Hello, Mum. How's your poor feet? Feeling better?
I'm all right, dear.
Good.
But you
I don't quite understand.
Well, here's something you'll understand. Sit down and get on with that while it's hot.
But I say, Chris, it's Monday today. Where's all the washing?
No more washing days for me. Here's my first bundle for the laundry. You know, Mother, I've been looking at that price list, and really when you reckon everything up, well, it's just as cheap, and you save the doctor's bill. And I've been doing a bit of arithmetic. I've calculated that if I live to be Mother's age, that's another 20 years, I shall have had another 1,000 washing days. Well, I think to myself, here's 1,000 days I can save myself. 1,000 happy days I never expected to have. By the way, Mother, was that blouse washed at the laundry?
Yes, my dear. And I couldn't have done it better myself. And you know, I've been doing a little arithmetic too. And I reckon I've got another 20 years before I reach my allotted span. So I can have 1,000 happy days as well as you.
And what about us ladies? If you only knew how we men loathe washing days, you'd realize that we're decidedly interested in getting 1,000 happy days we didn't bargain for. Hey, Bert?
Just what I was thinking. Home without a washing day. Sounds like heaven to me.
Poor old Bert. You know, it was really you that settled the matter when you started envying Dad. I'm not going to have my husband envying another man, even if he is my own father. Here's 1,000 happy days to us all, thanks to the modern laundry.